My name is Małgorzata Babic, Global Marketing Manager, Fragrance category. Are you ready to meet the new diva in town? Let me set up the scene. You're getting ready, hair perfect, makeup flawless. You slip into your perfect black dress. In the mirror, you see someone confident, authentic, captivating. You're heading out. You know this is your moment, not just to own the night, but to be the night. That's exactly the energy we bottled Divine Dark Velvet, our newest eau de parfum. We didn't want to have another simple scent. We wanted to have a glam creation that turns heads around, asking, wait, who is this? Every diva's story begins with the scent itself. To bring this vision and energy to life, we worked together with one of the biggest, most renowned fragrance houses around the world, Givaudan, and the best perfumer, Guillaume Flavigny.
My name is Guillaume Flavigny, perfumer for Givaudan, and today I'm very happy to present you Divine Dark Velvet. The scent of Divine is really feminine because of the main ingredient, the Dark Baccara Rose, and the perfume is built around the rose, and you have this introduction with this Dark Plum, the vanilla. It's a unique rose, dark, sensual. This quality of the Black Baccara Rose is more spicy and more sensual. The best occasion to wear a Divine Dark Velvet is could be every day, of course, but it's really an evening perfume. And for me, it's more to go to the theater, to go to the opera, for a date, because it's about seduction, sensuality. So the woman who wears this fragrance is a diva. For me, I can see a woman with like a black dress. So Divine, I'm really happy because it's truly unique, trust me. It's a perfume for a diva. It's created with all my heart, so I hope you will have the same emotion as me. So I wish you a lot of success.
The story doesn't end with the scent. Just like every diva needs her couture gown, the scent deserves its perfect dress, reflecting its soul, its elegance, its allure. Every curve, every detail of the bottle tells the story as captivating as the scent. Let's discover, together with our designer, Anderson Santos, how he brought this vision to life.
My name is Anderson Santos. I am a product designer, and I was the designer responsible for Divine and Divine Dark Velvet. Every project starts with a deep research, looking for references, trends, and the right approach to solve the challenge of the briefing. Divine Dark Velvet, it was all about fashion, so I looked a lot into fashion references, and I was particularly interested in fashion designer sketches. You know, in psychology there is this effect called pareidolia, which is when you look at a random object and you see a face, or you look at the clouds and you see a dragon. So I like to face my fragrance bottles as little people, like where the cap is the head and the body is the bottle. So every change in proportion or a slight change on a curve can dramatically change the personality of this small character. I mean, we work every day surrounded by sketches and color references and 3D models, prototypes, but whenever we get the samples in hand and we can take it to the lab to fill it with the juice and pick the right color for it, it's really the aha moment, like the we found the dress moment. It's a sleek and tall fragrance bottle that is very imposing and elegant. It's very glamorous. There is this two hard edges that fall from the shoulders and they cross in front of the chest and they mark the hips to the floor. And there is this nice golden sphere that contrasts very nicely with the black velvet finish, which was very contemporary symbol of glamour. I would say a woman trying to dress up for this very special event and finding this nice velvety dark dress for it. And also the logo engraved all around the cap. It's a symbol of all eyes around, I mean, looking at this woman. So yeah, I still find it very beautiful.
Thank you, Anderson and the entire team, for bringing such a stunning vision to life. It's truly unforgettable. It's a definite showstopper. What truly matters are the first impressions. At the Gold Conference in Lisbon, fragrance lovers, beauty insiders, and everyday divas experience the divine dark velvet for the first time. Before we see their reactions, let's get ready with our CEO, Anna Malmhake.
I am Anna Malmhake, the CEO of Oriflame, and today is a great day because I'm in Lisbon, and tonight we're having a big gala party. The only way to really experience this perfume is, of course, to try it. And to me, the first thing I think of is sophistication. So I love perfumes. I love having perfumes for different occasions. And to me, Divine Dark Velvet, it's really for those parties, those evenings where you know everyone will really dress up. Everyone will put their best foot forward. It will be glamorous. I'm really looking forward to see people trying Divine Dark Velvet for the first time. The Baccara Rose in this perfume, usually that's only found in the very most extremely expensive perfumes out there. And I think it will surprise people to find that really rare ingredient in something that's actually quite accessible for a lot of people. So I think it will surprise a lot of people with its sophistication. It's definitely a gala dinner look. This is glam, glam, glam. So I'm so grateful I'm having help here today. When people ask me which beauty product I can't live without, I actually answer perfume because how you feel inside makes you project yourself differently to the world. So I always feel the best way to influence how I am is by using a perfume that's right for the occasion. The lovely thing with Divine Dark Velvet is the very first thing you think. It's actually two things. It's glamour and it's warmth. So it's a very pleasant glamour, very enjoyable sophistication.
Tell me what you think.
It's very, very elegant.
It smells exotic.
Very, very.
Yeah.
I love the sex vibe.
Yeah, the
I
sexy
love
vibe, yeah.
I love
Like
it.
a strong woman.
Yeah, I love how sophisticated it scents. I would love to wear it every day.
Yeah.
I love it so much.
Okay.
Make me feel so sexy and elegant. I think this is the best perfume, I think. The new perfume from Oriflame.
Yes. And then I feel so hot and feel like bold. Wow. Just must go for it. Guys, I love it. This smells so fresh.
Now you have seen it all. Every spritz is attitude. Every note is allure. Every drop is the pure glam. Now it's your moment, your stage, because divas don't follow the night, they own the night.